Hi there, students. Temperance, and now. Temperance is one of the virtues. Temperance means moderation, particularly moderation in eating and drinking, or moderation in all things, holding in check your natural appetites, your natural passions, to be restrained. Yeah, the opposite of temperance is gluttony. Okay, gluttony is one of the 7 deadly sins, and temperance is one of the virtues. Okay, so temperance, abstinence from, or moderation in behavior or your expression or the way you react. Yeah. Restraint, especially not giving in to your appetites or your desires. So temperance is the idea of all things in moderation. Yeah, not doing too much of anything. Notice we had the temperance movement. Yeah, the temperance movement was to promoting the total abstinence from alcohol. Yeah, so the Methodists supported the temperance movement. Yeah, to give up drinking alcohol, to jump on the bandwagon. That's actually, I think, the original meaning of it. Yeah, temperance. Yeah, not to drink any alcohol. I think they used to go round with a wagon and they used to ask people to come on the wagon and take the pledge not to drink alcohol. Okay, so temperance, we can also use it to mean not a teetotaler. Yeah, somebody who doesn't drink alcohol. Yeah, and that's temperance as well. I think the idea is that people who drink can't control themselves. Yeah, so temperance, the habit of not drinking alcohol because you believe it's wrong, or because you believe it's dangerous. But more generally, temperance, controlling your behaviour. Not drinking too much, not eating too much, not going out too much, yeah? Not doing too much of anything. And that's the idea of temperance. Yeah? You show temperance, you have a strong mind, and there is nothing that you do too much. We live in an age of hedonism. Yeah, and we need this to be driven out by a new era of temperance, of self-control, of self-discipline, of moderation, of restraint. Yeah, temperance. Be patient. Yeah, be patient with people. Don't go over the top, and I think that's the idea of temperance. So temperance, formality. This is quite a fairly formal word. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I don't think I would use temperance in an informal conversation. Control yourself. Yeah, moderational. A teetotaler believes in temperance. Use it in, I think, a semi-formal conversation, just about. A semi-formal writing or a formal writing, very definitely. Yeah, so temperance. The origin comes from Latin, from temperans, from the verb temporare, to moderate. Yeah, so yes, temperance. Holding back, patience, being very abstinent, calm, sedate, being patient, to moderate your passions. So temperance is a really good thing, good quality to have. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Temperance.